Conclusion. There's never been a better time to start a vlog, and we have provided you with everything that you need in this training to plan and implement a successful one. The demand for high-quality vlogs will continue to grow, so get in now to tap into the rising trend. Videos are always going to be the preferred medium for internet users. People are lazy, and if they can spend 5 minutes watching a video on how to do something, this is a lot easier than spending 20 minutes reading a 5,000-word blog post. With a vlog, you have a great opportunity to interact with your audience. Ask them questions in your videos and request that they leave you answers in the comments section. You can then thank them by replying to their comments. You need to do everything that you can to grow your vlog. This will increase your potential to make money from it. So be sure to optimize all of your videos properly and keep getting the word out on social media. So now it is over to you. Start planning your new vlog right away. If you need to invest in some good quality recording equipment, then do so. It will certainly be worth it and strengthen your commitment to your vlog. We wish you every success with your new vlog.